Hello guys, my name is Edos from the website Design Altitude. And if you are somebody who wants to learn how to build a website, if you've been looking for a way to learn how to build a website, my friend, I have a solution for you. Because in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to build a website from scratch. As a matter of fact, let me show you the website we're going to be building. We're going to be building this website you are seeing on your screen right now. This is a very simple website. We are going to build this website with two languages actually, HTML and CSS. And I want you to know something. If you want to become a website designer, okay, you only need 3 languages. You only need to master HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is a language for building the structure of the website, while CSS is a language you use in styling web pages. And JavaScript is a language used in programming a website. But in this tutorial, we're going to be looking at HTML and CSS. So here's the website we're going to be creating together right about now. So 2 things you need. You need a laptop or a desktop. You need a laptop and a text editor like Sublime Text. There are a lot of text editors out there, and what text editor, the reason why we're going to be using text editor is because that's where we're going to be writing all our codes, our HTML, CSS, JavaScript code. We're not writing JavaScript code in this tutorial. So there's another text editor called Notepad++. That's another text editor, but the one I use mainly is the Sublime Text. So the first thing you do when you have these things in place, you have your laptop in place, and you've installed Sublime Text. Let's go ahead and get started, my friend. So the first thing you do is you create a folder on your desktop or anywhere you want to put it. I can call this my website. This folder, this is where we're going to be storing our web pages and our images and our CSS codes. So I'll create another folder here. I'll call it image. That's where we're going to put in our images. So I'll close this now. So what I'll do is I'll open the Sublime Text. Then I'll create. No, I don't use shortcut. Let me show you. I'll come here. Then I'll say new file. Okay. Then I'll save this new file as my index.html. You can, if your own page, you save it as index.html, because when people go to your website, the index page is the first page you see when they come to your website. Like if you go to my website, if you go to edosbaby.com right now, the first page you see is the index page. So that the index page is your own page. So I'm going to save this as index.html. Then save as type. Okay, save it as all files. Now click on save. So with that being said, my friend, let's go ahead and get started. So I'll type my HTML, then I'll press the tab key on my keyboard. You see, this is the reason why I love Sublime Text. I can easily press, like it makes my work more faster. Instead of me typing all these codes one after the other, I'll just type HTML and HTML and just click on and just hit the tab key on my keyboard. Then it's going to write all this code out for me. So the title, let me see the title she use. Lisa Abby about this online entrepreneur. So that's going to be the title of our own web page too. So I'm going to say Lisa Abby about this. I think it's online entrepreneur. Yes, I think it's correct. So let's go ahead and save it and see the way it is. I'll open with Chrome. As you can see, Lisa Abby about this online entrepreneur. You see, that's the same title we should use. So my friend, we're making progress. So now we're going to work on this area. That's where we're going to work next. So if you take a look at this our website, the body is not white. Okay, our one is white. So I'm going to change it to the color, to this color. So I have a tool called Colorzilla. So I used to pick this color here. So these are some secret stuff, my friend. This Colorzilla now is not popular. It's not popular, but these are some of the tools I use. So you can go ahead and get it. That's my gift. All my gift to you for wanting to learn how to build a website. So I'm going to copy the color code. Okay, I want to change this white to that color. So I say, I'll come here. Where is it? Okay. Then now we're going to write some CSS code. I'll say style. I'll say body, background color. Let's refresh it. You see, it has changed to this color here. So the next we're going to do is we're going to work on this. We're going to create a red. I'm going to create this heading. My friend, this heading. So let's go ahead and create it. My friend, this might not make sense to you, but if you really want to understand what I'm doing here, you can become one of my students. And if you're interested in becoming one of my students, I have a course right now. Just let me know in the comments and I'll tell you how you're going to get how you're going to get the course. Okay, so I'm going to create a div tag. Call it head. Then I'll say width. I'll say 1000 by 1200 pixels. Then height, I can say 100 pixels. Background color. I need to pick the background color. If I say red, that color doesn't look like a red color. So let me say it. You see, the color she use here doesn't look like a red color, like a deep red or something. So I'll use my Colorzilla to know the exact color she used. Okay, so I'll pick the color. So let me see. Copy. So I'm going to change this our red color to our own kind of color. So I'll just say I'll change this red to our own color. So let's go and save it and save. Cool. You see, the color is not the same. Only that I need to increase the height of this div tag a bit. So I can give it 130 or so. Say 130. I think it's okay. It's okay now. Then if you notice, there's a space here, there's a space at the top here, and this red container is not in the middle. So I'm going to move it to the middle now. You see how I'm going to do it. So I'll say margin 0 pixel auto. Then I'll come here and say margin for the body 0. So let me go ahead and save this so you see it. You see, my friend, we're making progress. So let's go ahead and write lisaabbey.com. So come here and write here. I'll paste it. You see, lisaabbey.com. So I'll come here now. If you notice, the container shift away from the top a little bit, and this text needs to be big and it needs to be a white color text. So let me come to this place now. I'll say box sizing, border box. Okay, still. So what I'll do is I'll come here. I'll say style. I'll say margin top 0%. Let's see if this is going to make it work. You see, it worked. It worked, my friends. So let's go ahead and make this white and big. So I'll say font size, you can say 50 pixel. Then I will say color white. And then again, if you really want to understand what I'm doing here, you can become a student of the Website Design Altitude, where I teach all these things in great details. Make sense? So if you notice on here, there's space here and there's space at the top and there's space at the bottom. So let's go ahead and do that on our own too. So I want to create a space here, then here. So let me come here and say, I'll say padding. I can say 50 pixel. Let's see what that is going to do. Okay, that's too much. So I'll say 30. Okay, my friend, you see, exactly like our own. So let's go ahead and create this white section here where she wrote about her. Again, my friend, what I'm doing here might not make sense to you. Okay, it might not make total sense to you. But if you want to like really understand what I'm doing here, my friend, become a member of the Website Design Altitude today. I'm going to drop a link below this video. So that link is going to take you to a place where you'll be able to sign up for Website Design Altitude. So I'll go ahead and create another div tag here. I'll call it content. Okay, I'll say content with 1200 pixel by, let me say height, I'll say 900 pixel. Then I'll say background color white. What is? So let's go ahead and save that. Okay, save. You see, this is the white section. So this section I'll move it to the middle so it aligns well. So I'll come here, I'll say margin 0 pixel auto. Then I'll save it. So you will see the magic now, my friend. You see, it's beginning to make more sense now. So let's go ahead and do this one right here. But before then, I need to give it padding. I'll say padding 50 pixel. Then I'll say box sizing, order box. So I'll click on save. Although you're not going to see it actually. You won't see the effect. So there's no need for me to do that. So what I'll do now is I'll write here. I'll say span. Okay, I'll say about Lisa. So I'll use inline CSS. I'll say style, font size 50 pixel. Let me save it and save. You see, this is beginning to make more sense, my friend. So I'll copy this one now. Copy, come back here. So let me go ahead and save. You see, my friend, this is beginning to make sense. And my friend, to build a website is not difficult. And if you take your time to learn this stuff, okay, if you take your time to learn it, you can start making money with it today. Okay, so you have a lot of people on your WhatsApp right now. If you just post what you do, like you post staring at you build website, my friend, you'll be surprised that somebody's going to contact you to build a website for them. Make sense? So if you want to like master, okay, if you want to say, okay, I want to become a master in building websites, become a member of the Website Design Authority today, and you become a master web designer in 3 ways, my friend. I promise you. So here you see the text is too small. It's too small, so I'll make it big, like the way our one is here. So let's go ahead and make that big. And if you have any question, you can just let me know in the comments. Style, font size 20 pixels. Let's see. Save. You say it's beginning to make more sense. So I can just say, let me just increase it a bit. I'll say 30. I hope that's not too big. It's too big, so I'll just make it 25 and see. I'll save. Okay, I think this makes more sense now. So we're making progress, my friend. So let's go and save this as a picture. Then we'll put it on our own website that we're building right now. So I'll go to the desktop. Okay, my website image and put it here. Then I'll save it. Okay, so let's go and put it. So I'll come here now. I'll say center. I want it to be at the center. Then I'll say img. See that this is the reason why I like Sublime Text. So it makes my work more faster. So I'll say Lisa underscore. That's the name of the image now. .png. So let's go and save it. Save. My friend, we're making progress, my friend. We're making progress. This is how I build websites. And you can charge any amount you want for this. Any amount you want. You can charge 50,000 naira for this kind of website. If you want, you can charge any amount you want, my friend. Okay, as long as your client is able to pay you. So what I'm going to do is I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, if you really want to like learn all these things, my friend, become a member of the Website Design Authority today. So what I would like to do is I will just like to do one more thing, which is this black section here. That's what I want to do. I will leave this area alone. So let me go ahead and do that. So let me come to, actually let me open it back. So I will say, I'll go and create another div. I'll say ID footer. So I'll style it here. I'll say footer. I'll say width 1200 pixel, height 150 pixel. Then background color, background color black. The margin 0 pixel auto. So let me save it so you see it. Save from here. Okay, this black, my own black is too big. It's too high. So I'll reduce it to, let me say one thing. I think it's still okay. I will reduce it to 100. Okay, I think it's okay this way. So I'll just, if you take a look at this, one thing to teach you again. If you take a look at this, this symbol. If you take a look at your keyboard, is not on your keyboard. So this is actually a code. So I'm going to show you the code right now. So, and you can copy it. If you copy it, it's going to display there as an error. So I'll come here. I'll say paragraph. Oh no, don't let me use paragraph. Span. Then I'll say this is copy for the copy, the symbol for the copyright. Say and copy. That's the symbol for the copyright. Then I'll save it. Okay, it's not displaying because the text color is black, so let me change it to white. Color white, padding 50 pixel, box size, whatever. Sublime is very fast, my friend. It is very fast. You see? So, my friend, this is how I've been able to build any kind of website I want. And you can do this too, my friend. You can do this. It's not difficult. If you take a look at the two websites, you can't really differentiate between the two. So, if you are somebody who wants to like learn how to build a website, okay, you want to like really learn how to build a website, my friend, I have a course. Okay, I have a course right now, and I'll drop a link right below this video. So check out the course and create an account. When you create an account, you'll be able to build a website like a pro. In 3 weeks, if you take my course, my friend, if you take my course, in 3 weeks you should be able to build a website. So with that being said, my friend, I'll like to end this video. So with that being said, I look forward to working with you, and bye for now.